Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Ears.
Hey, we're so glad you're here today.
I'm Monica.
And I'm Jack.
Today's lesson is one of the most useful topics ever.
Yeah, because food happens everywhere.
We're learning English at a restaurant, how to walk in, get seated, order, handle problems.
And pay at the end, with confidence.
A lot of learners feel nervous in restaurants.
Because the server speaks fast.
And you feel like everyone is waiting.
So today, we'll slow it down.
Step by step.
And we'll practice a lot, like a real class.
Quick question, Jack.
Okay?
What's the biggest fear people have?
I think it's this. They don't understand a question and they panic.
Exactly.
So we'll teach you simple rescue phrases.
And polite phrases.
Because polite English makes everything easier.
Great. Here's the plan. Part 1, entering and getting seated.
Part 2, ordering drinks and food.
Part 3, during the meal, including problems.
Part 4, paying, tipping, and leaving.
And we'll add extra practice at the end.
A full review with mini challenges.
Okay, let's start.
Part 1, entering and getting seated.
Imagine you walk into a restaurant.
First, someone greets you.
They might say, "Hi, welcome."
Or, good evening.
Then the classic question.
How many people?
Let's practice quick answers.
Repeat after me. 2, please.
2, please.
Just 1.
Just 1.
4 people.
4 people.
Nice.
Sometimes they ask, "Do you have a reservation?"
Reservation means you booked a table.
If yes, you can say,
Yes, under the name Smith.
under the name means the reservation name.
If no, you can say, no, we don't.
And then ask this, "Is there a wait?"
Wait means waiting time.
They might say,
There's a 15-minute wait.
or about 20 minutes.
What do you say?
That's fine, we'll wait.
Or, okay, no problem.
Here's a helpful longer question. How long is the wait for a table for 2?
That sounds very natural.
Another common question, would you like a table or a booth?
Table is a regular table.
Booth is a seat like a bench.
And they might ask, inside or outside?
Let's practice those answers.
Inside, please.
Inside, please.
Outside, please.
Outside, please.
A booth, please.
A booth, please.
Great.
Then they say,
Right this way.
or follow me.
And you say,
Thank you.
easy.
Now a quick mini role play.
I'll be the host.
I'll be the customer.
Hi, welcome. How many people?
2, please.
Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't. Is there a wait?
About 10 minutes.
That's fine, we'll wait. Thank you.
Great. Right this way.
Thanks.
Perfect.
Okay, part 2.
Ordering drinks and food.
This is the main part,
And the part where people get nervous.
but we'll make it simple.
First, the server comes over.
They often say, "Hi, I'm Sarah. I'll be taking care of you today."
You can reply with, hi.
Or, "Hello.
Then they usually ask a drink question.
Can I start you off with some drinks?"
Start you off means drinks first.
Here are 3 strong patterns.
Pattern 1, I'll have.
I'll have water, please.
Pattern 2, can I get?
Can I get a Coke, please?
Pattern 3, could I have?
Could I have iced tea, please?
Notice, please is your best friend.
Always.
Okay, now let's add useful drink words.
Still water or sparkling water.
With ice or no ice.
With lemon.
A refill means more of the same drink.
Great. Now let's practice short requests.
I'll have water with lemon, please.
I'll have water with lemon, please.
Could I have that with no ice, please?
Could I have that with no ice, please?
Can I get a refill, please?
Can I get a refill, please?
Nice.
Then the server asks, Are you ready to order?
If yes, yes, please.
If no,
Not yet. Can we have a few more minutes?
that sentence saves your life.
It really does.
Another option, we need a little more time, please.
Very polite.
When you're ready to order food,
Use the same patterns.
I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
I'd like the burger, please.
Could I have the pasta, please?
Now, here's the tricky part.
The server asks follow-up questions.
Let's teach the most common ones.
Number 1, steak.
How would you like your steak?
Rare, medium, or well done?
Number 2, sides.
What would you like for your side?
Fries, salad, vegetables, rice.
Number 3, dressing.
What dressing would you like?
Ranch, Italian, or Caesar?
Number 4, cooking style.
Grilled, fried, or baked?
Okay, now the most important skill.
If you don't understand, don't panic.
Use a rescue phrase.
Here are 3.
1, I'm sorry, could you repeat that?
2, I'm sorry, what are my options?
3, could you say that more slowly, please?
Let's practice these together.
I'm sorry, could you repeat that, please?
I'm sorry, could you repeat that, please?
I'm sorry, what are my options?
I'm sorry, what are my options?
Could you say that more slowly, please?
Could you say that more slowly, please?
Great.
Now asking your own questions.
This is where you sound confident.
Allergies.
Does this have nuts? I'm allergic.
Dietary needs.
Is this vegetarian?
Or
Is this gluten-free?
recommendations.
What do you recommend?
Or
What's your most popular dish?
spice level.
Is this spicy?
Or how spicy is it?
Modifications. Can I get that without onions?
Substitutions.
Can I substitute fries for salad?
Perfect. Now let's do a longer role play.
I'll be the server.
I'll be the customer.
Hi, I'm Monica. I'll be taking care of you today. Can I start you off with drinks?
Hi, I'll have iced tea, please, with no ice, please.
Sure. Are you ready to order?
Not yet. Can I have a few more minutes?
Sure. Take your time.
Thanks.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
All right, I think I'm ready. What do you recommend?
Our grilled salmon is very popular.
That sounds good. Is it spicy?
No, it's not spicy. It comes with rice and vegetables.
Great. I'll have the grilled salmon, please.
Great choice. And for your side salad, what dressing would you like?
What are my options?
Ranch, Italian, and Caesar.
Italian, please.
Perfect. Anything else?
Could I also get that without onions?
Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll get that started.
Nice. That sounded natural.
Yes, and you asked questions calmly.
That's the key. Now, part 3. During the meal.
During the meal, the server checks on you.
They ask, How is everything?
If it's good, say, It's delicious, thank you.
Or, Everything's great.
Or, Perfect, thank you.
But sometimes there's a problem.
And that's okay.
The key is polite language.
Let's teach problem phrases.
Problem 1, temperature.
I'm sorry, but this is cold. Could you heat it up?
Problem 2, wrong order.
I think this is the wrong order. I ordered the chicken.
Problem 3, missing item.
Excuse me, I didn't get my side dish yet.
Problem 4, cooked wrong.
I'm sorry, I asked for well done, but this looks rare.
Good.
Also, you can say this. Could you fix this, please?
Nice and polite.
Now, small requests during the meal.
More water.
Could we have more water, please?
Napkins.
Could I have some more napkins, please?
Ketchup.
Can we get some ketchup, please?
Utensils.
I dropped my fork. Could I have another one, please?
Refills.
Can I get a refill, please?
Sharing.
Could we get some extra plates?
Splitting food.
Can we split this dish?
Great. Now let's do a quick mid-meal role play. I'm the server.
I'm the customer.
Hi, how is everything?
It's delicious, thank you.
Wonderful. Can I get you anything else?
Could I have some more water, please?
Of course.
Thanks.
Whenever you're ready, I can bring the check.
Yes, could I have the check, please?
Here you are.
Thanks.
Now a problem version.
Oh, okay.
How is everything?
I'm sorry, but this is a little cold. Could you heat it up?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'll take care of it right away.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Perfect.
See? Calm and polite.
Now, part 4. Paying, tipping, and leaving.
When you're finished eating, ask for the check.
You can say,
Could we have the check, please?
or shorter.
Check, please.
In British English,
Could we have the bill, please?
when the check comes,
Look at it.
make sure it's correct.
If you're confused,
Ask, what's this charge for?
now, payment.
I'll pay with cash.
Can I pay with a card?
If you're with friends,
Can we split the bill?
another phrase,
Can we have separate checks?
separate checks is common in the US.
But sometimes restaurants don't do it.
If they can't,
No problem, we'll pay together.
now tipping.
This is very important in the US.
Tipping is expected.
Usually 15 to 20%.
Here's an easy way to think.
Good service, around 20%.
Okay service, 15 to 18.
If you're not sure, aim for 18 to 20.
And you can tip in different ways.
Leave cash on the table.
Or add tip on the card machine.
Now, leaving the restaurant.
You might see the host again.
Say something nice.
Thank you, the food was delicious.
Everything was great, thanks.
Have a great day.
And they might say, come back soon.
Great.
Now, let's do a full start-to-finish story.
Like a movie scene.
But short and realistic.
I'll be the host and the server.
I'll be the customer.
Hi, welcome. How many people?
Table for one, please.
Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't. Is there a wait?
Just 5 minutes.
That's fine, thank you.
Okay, right this way. Here you are.
Thanks.
Hi, I'm Monica. I'll be taking care of you today. Can I start you off with drinks?
I'll have iced tea, please. With no ice, please.
Sure. Are you ready to order?
Not yet. Can I have a few more minutes?
Of course.
Thanks.
Okay, are you ready now?
Yes, please. I'd like the chicken sandwich.
Great. What would you like for your side? Fries or salad?
What are my options?
Fries, salad, or vegetables?
Salad, please. And can I get that without onions?
Of course.
Thank you.
How is everything?
It's delicious. Everything's great.
Wonderful.
Could I get a refill, please?
Absolutely.
Thanks.
Whenever you're ready, I can bring the check.
Yes. Could I have the check, please?
Here you are.
Thanks. Can I pay with a card?
Yes, of course.
Great.
All set. Here's your receipt.
Thank you. The food was delicious. Have a great day.
Thank you. Come back soon.
Nice.
That's a complete restaurant experience.
And you used simple phrases.
Now, let's do a fun review.
Mini quiz time.
I'll say the situation.
You say the best phrase.
Situation 1. You need more time to choose.
Not yet. Can we have a few more minutes?
Perfect. Situation 2. You didn't understand the question.
I'm sorry. Could you repeat that, please?
Great. Situation 3. You want to ask for the check.
Could we have the check, please?
Nice. Situation 4. Your food is cold.
I'm sorry, but this is cold. Could you heat it up?
Excellent.
Okay, one more.
Go ahead.
Situation 5. You want a recommendation.
What do you recommend?
Great.
Now a speaking challenge for you.
Pause the video.
And say these 3 sentences out loud.
1. I'll have water, please.
2. Could you repeat that, please?
3. Could we have the check, please?
Say them slowly and clearly.
Ready? Go.
Great job.
Even 2 minutes of practice helps.
Now, one last tip.
If you feel nervous,
Smile and use polite words.
servers are used to helping people.
And it's okay to speak slowly.
You're learning.
And you're doing great.
This week, try using one phrase at a restaurant.
Or practice at home with your phone.
Record yourself and listen.
Small steps.
Big progress.
Thank you for watching Easy English Ears.
We hope this lesson makes eating out much easier.
I'm Monica.
And I'm Jack.
See you next time.
And until then, enjoy your food and enjoy your English.